Hello guys, welcome to another Minecraft video. Today, I'll show you how to get in the AFK area. It's simple. Go to the chat and select this and go press AFK. Then that's and just do this. And don't move. You can grind it for shards. Per minute is 1 shards. Okay, here we are. So you can be AFK or do something or be AFK here until you grind something by spawners. And this is a good second best method to get shards. But I would recommend doing players. But just AFK here or be grinding the key or you might have a chance to get the golden key from this key grinding. The luckier chance that it is. So that's it. See you in the next video.